Good day, everyone. My name is Anthony Clarence Otanyog. I am 22 years old from Zone 3, Barangay Carolina, Naga City, Camarines Sur. I am currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, BSMARE, and my section is 3B1. I am grateful for the opportunity to introduce myself to all of you today and to be part of this class. I choose to take a maritime course because I want to have a stable and meaningful career that can help support my family and build a better future. Ever since I learned about the opportunities in the maritime industry, I became interested in becoming a marinero. This profession requires discipline, responsibility, and hard work, which are values I want to develop in myself. I also admire seafarers because of their sacrifices and dedication while working far from their loved ones. In this class, I can show respect to others in many ways. First, I will listen carefully when my classmates or instructors are speaking and avoid interrupting them. Second, I will be polite in my words and action, whether during discussions, group work, or casual conversations. Third, I will respect different opinions and backgrounds, knowing that we all have unique experiences and ideas to share. In 5 years, I will be a licensed marine engineer, working on board a ship, gaining experience, and helping my family achieve a more comfortable life. I see myself as someone who continues to learn, improve my skills, and stay committed to my goals. The legacy I would like to be remembered by is being a hardworking, respectful, and dependable person. Someone who never gave up on his dreams and who is inspired to others stay focused and determined no matter how difficult the journey may be. Thank you, and I look forward to learning and growing with all of you.